Misspoke. Still called She's a Lady.
Song change?
My guitar's out of tune.
So sad.
What could we do to make this extremely awkward? Because we're trying to make an awkward situation with all of us so we can kind of share it.
I'm not taking off my pants, no! Alright, you guys win. Austin, take off your pants. Don't do that. Don't do that. Sorry, BBC family.
Sorry guys, not today.
Sorry.
Any other ideas?
Dude, I understand what everybody's saying.
Hey, in honor of our drummer Kyle's birthday today, I stuck my face in a cake.
You did. I did.
It's funny how many of you, whenever we asked what we should do, said pee your pants. Where is your mind?
That's rude.
That would be pretty awkward though. Let's not lie to ourselves. All right, I already did that. Let him up on stage. That's a great way to make this awkward.
Don't do that.
This guy requested that we sing directly to him.
All right.
How many of you are down for this? Okay, just get on your knees. That's good, that's good.
Maybe an Indian style.
Yeah,